Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the video button within the create new section and select the video that you would like to edit. After that, click on the filter button down below, which is the fifth option. Select filter, which is the third option. Here you can either tap on the filter or adjust button. Now click on filter, and below this filter option you can find a bunch of categories that you can choose from: lunar, moss, barn, skin, moody, cream, amber, duo, fresh, film, and so on. Click on relevant one, and at the bottom of the screen you will be able to check out all of the filter that particular category contains. Here you can see them. Tap on the relevant one and you can see how it changes your video, how it looks like when it is applied. If you are satisfied with it and would like to update your video to be applied this and to apply this filter, click on the check mark icon on the right side of the screen and then it will be applied, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.